Hello eco-warriors, we're diving into the world of conscious cleaning, exploring effective and sustainable ways to keep our spaces sparkling clean without harming the planet. Indoor air quality affects us all, yet it often goes unnoticed until it becomes an issue. With most of our time spent indoors, it's crucial to understand how cleaning can positively impact the air we breathe. In this video, we will discuss the significance of indoor air quality and explore various cleaning techniques and practices to ensure your home's air remains fresh and healthy. Why indoor air quality matters. Before diving into cleaning methods, let's appreciate why indoor air quality is essential. Poor indoor air quality can have various effects on our health and well-being. It can lead to short-term discomforts like irritated eyes, sore throats, and allergies, as well as more severe issues such as respiratory problems, cardiovascular diseases, and worsened symptoms for those with conditions like asthma and allergies. Dust and allergens. Dust is a natural part of our indoor environment and consists of various particles, including dead skin cells, pollen, and tiny dust mites. These particles can trigger allergies and respiratory discomfort when inhaled. To combat this, regular dusting and vacuuming are essential practices in maintaining indoor air quality. Vacuum cleaners equipped with high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) filters can effectively capture even the smallest allergens. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Mold and mildew. Mold and mildew thrive in areas with excess moisture, such as bathrooms, basements, and kitchens. These fungi release spores into the air, which, when inhaled, can lead to respiratory issues and allergies. Regular cleaning, adequate ventilation, and keeping moisture levels in check can prevent mold growth and minimize its impact on indoor air quality. Volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. Volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, are emitted by various household products, including paints, cleaning agents, furniture, and even scented candles. Prolonged exposure to high levels of VOCs can lead to a range of health problems, from eye and throat irritation to more severe issues like organ damage and cancer. Choosing low VOC or VOC-free alternatives and ensuring proper ventilation while using such products can help reduce their presence in your indoor environment. Regular dusting and vacuuming. Dusting and vacuuming should be part of your routine cleaning regimen. Dusting not only keeps surfaces looking clean but also removes allergens that settle on furniture, shelves, and other surfaces. When vacuuming, pay special attention to carpets and rugs, which can trap dust and allergens. Make sure your vacuum cleaner is equipped with a HEPA filter, as this ensures that fine particles are captured and not recirculated into the air. Cleaning and ventilating bathrooms. Bathrooms are particularly prone to mold and mildew growth due to the high humidity levels associated with bathing and showering. Regular cleaning with mold-inhibiting products can help prevent these issues. Additionally, proper ventilation through exhaust fans or open windows is crucial to remove excess moisture and maintain good air quality in these areas. Choosing eco-friendly cleaning products. Many conventional cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that release VOCs into the air. To reduce the presence of these harmful compounds in your home, consider switching to eco-friendly, non-toxic cleaning alternatives. These products are not only safer for your health but also better for the environment. Cleaning air ducts and filters. Your HVAC system plays a vital role in maintaining indoor air quality, but it can also be a source of pollutants if not properly maintained. Over time, air ducts and filters can accumulate dust and debris, reducing the efficiency of the system and circulating pollutants throughout your home. Regular cleaning and maintenance of these components can significantly improve indoor air quality and ensure that your HVAC system operates at peak efficiency. Improving indoor air quality is essential for creating a healthier and more comfortable living environment. Regular cleaning practices, proper ventilation, and wise choices in cleaning products all play pivotal roles in achieving this goal. By implementing these strategies and remaining vigilant about potential sources of indoor air pollution, you can breathe easier, enjoy a cleaner, fresher home, and safeguard the health of you and your loved ones. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.